Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your Weight Watchers app subscription. To cancel your Weight Watchers app subscription, follow these steps. First of all, for iOS users, open settings, go to your device's settings, tap your name. At the top, tap your name to access Apple ID settings. Then select subscriptions. Find and select Weight Watchers from the list. After that, tap cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation. Now, for Android users, launch the Google Play Store app, then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select subscriptions, find and tap on Weight Watchers. Tap cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. By following these steps, you can easily cancel Weight Watchers app subscription.